Ever wonder why your laptop camera looks amazing everywhere except on WhatsApp video calling? Now I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your blurry laptop camera into a smooth professional looking on WhatsApp video calling. Let's get started. WhatsApp, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Privacy. In left pane you will find Camera. You have to ensure that allow apps to access your camera is turned on, and now scroll down. You have to choose your apps. This is WhatsApp, and camera access is turned off right now. Just click here to turn it on. Again scroll down. Allow desktop apps to access your camera is turned off. Just turn it on. Hope this will solve your issue and camera will work on WhatsApp properly. If not camera working properly, you have to go for second solution. Right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager. Here you will find camera, expand it, and this is the camera driver. Just right click on it, click on Uninstall, click on Uninstall. You can restart now or you can restart later. Click on Action and then click on Scan for hardware changes. If camera not appear here, do it again. Click on Action, click on Scan for hardware changes. Now close Device Manager. Just you need to restart your computer. Click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your problem has been solved. If your camera is still not working, you have to go for third solution. In search, type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, you have to run all these commands, and I will give you all commands in description so that you can copy from there. Just paste here. On the last command, just press enter. Now close command prompt. Hope this fix will solve your issue. If your camera is still not working, you have to go for last solution and final solution. In search, type REGEDIT. Right click on Registry Editor. Click on Run as Administrator. Registry Editor has been opened. Now expand HK local machine. Expand software. Now scroll down. The last one. Wow, 6432 node, expand it, and then here expand Microsoft. Now scroll down, select Windows Media Foundation, just expand it, and here you will find platform. In platform, right click on empty area, go to new, and click on DOR 32-bit value. Now type the name, enable frame server mode. Enable frame server mode. Now right click on it and click on modify, and the value data will be 0. Okay, now click on OK. Now you need to restart your computer to update the registry settings. Click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your camera or webcam is working to your particular apps. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.